Watch me unbox it. This fridge uses 60 watts of energy and the volume is 45 liters. This is a compressor fridge. I'm going to do a test of this fridge too. It seems really well packed. It's packed in styrofoam. Wow. Looking good. Looking good. This is a fridge. A 12-volt solar fridge. And here's my solar panel here, and there's more coming. And here it is. Wow. It's amazing. Look at these handles. So you can use it in a short way, or you can use it in a long way. Here's the compressor, the vent, or for the compressor. And you can see here it's DC 12 and 24 volt, which is perfect because a solar panel puts out 12 to, this one puts out about 22 volts and it's 100 watts. So you can basically run this right off of a solar panel. You do not need a charge controller. But this one is, this panel is hooked up to a charge controller, but you can hook it up directly to the panel if you want. There's a light here also. So there is a, I saw this online, there is a compartment and you can adjust this, but it looks like this one is really only for right here. So one side is your fridge and the other side is the freezer. And here are your temperature controls, one for the freezer, one for the fridge. So it comes with the 12-volt lighter plug, and you can see it is a thick gauge, which is great because I've got other 12-volt appliances and it's not a thick gauge wire. You want thick wire like this because you want the amps to go through. Here is the house current converter, 120 volts in with the US plug. You can order them with a US rate or an EU plug. You can purchase one. The purchase link is below the video. I'm going to test this Vevor in the next video. More videos in the description below.